So right here we have this 5-core fog machine. This company sent this to me so I could do this unboxing video with you guys. So thank you to them for partnering with me on this. This looks super cool, especially if you're doing something like a stage show where you need good fog, or if you're doing like a haunted house type of thing. We got a box in a box here, so let's go ahead and open up this box now. Double boxing it today. Grab that tape right on through there. Boom shakalaka. And let's see, this is the 750 watt LED fog machine. Okay. So it looks like you have a user's manual right there. It seems to be fairly simple to utilize. Only a little one-pager there. Let's see, this looks like some kind of like switch. This is actually really cool because if you're doing something like from a stage and you got to kind of do it indiscreetly, you could do that. I'm assuming that's what that is. And then this, oh, you got a little handle right here to put the fog machine up on. Oh, look, it's even got a little screw right there so you can mount it up somewhere. So if you want to hook it like up here, you could have it angled downward from there. Super cool. They give you all the hardware that you need. We'll get into that in just a minute. So right here's your power cord for it, and then you have your main unit. Come on up. Come on up. Right here. That's everything that's in the box there, so let's see what we got. Okay, first thing that I'm... love the pumpkin. Like Halloween-y and whatnot. Super cool. So fog machine instructions. Check that there is enough fluid in the tank. Check if the power supply is suited for this machine. Turn the switch on the rear of this machine, which is right here. And then the machine needs 2 to 3 minutes to heat up. After heating up, press the wire or remote control to get it to work. Awesome. So one thing that I'm noticing is that they didn't give me any fog machine liquid stuff for this, so I don't have any way to really test it out, but it does have the 3 LEDs right here on the front. I'm assuming your fog is going to come through the pumpkin mouth right there. I do want to point out, it does say that this is a hot surface right there, so be careful with that. Let's go ahead and unwrap our cord because, you know, especially if you're mounting this thing up, you're going to need a good size long cord somewhere near an outlet or to be able to put an extension with it. That's a solid 4-foot cord right there. This is going to plug right on into the back right here. This thing is super light too. I really like how light it is. It does have the little feet on the bottom here too, so if you just plan on keeping it on the floor, you can simply do that and then you're good to go with that, because you're going to have that air underneath to be able to let some airflow go through there, which is important. Looks like, oh, this is cool. They give you like a little empty to full indicator right here. It's a little window so you can see actually how much fog juice you have in there. And then you have this guy right here as well. I'm assuming this is kind of the button that they're talking about. Okay, interesting. So first of all, this has like a little carabiner style right there, so you can clip it onto something. Then this thing slides on down, and you have a lock and unlock on there. I'm not too sure what this little nougat is for right there either. That's really interesting. Okay. If you guys don't know, here on the Dad Reviews, we usually don't read the instructions. We want to see how intuitive a product is right out of the box, and that's why I just left those over there. So this right here is your little remote button starter, and so this just simply plugs in right above the power button right there. So we can just simply... Oh, I think this might be... no. I was going to say maybe it's like a signal for this little guy right here. But I'm not 100% sure of that. Okay, so it says it takes 3 to 5 minutes to heat, and the red light will automatically light up after the heating process is completed. Then the machine is ready to use. Super cool. You know what? I'm curious, since it doesn't have any stuff, like fluid that goes in here, what does it say about that? Okay, the power must be the same. Power off before adding the liquid. Power off. Remove package and check. Open the carton to check whether all necessary spare parts include according to the specification list. Please contact distributor if there's something missed. Check the appearance of the machine, blah, blah, blah. Okay, installation. Take away all pack material. Set in the horizontal direction and open the cover of the liquid can. Add a high quality fog liquid to the machine and then screw the cover of the liquid can. Bad quality fog liquid will damage the fog machine. Plug and play of remote in the socket in the back. So super cool, very easy to use that right there. So yeah, we need some fog liquid to get in there, but I do want to point out that it does have a nice little hose that goes all the way down into there. It's got this nice little weight on the bottom as well as like a little filter type of thing built in. So it's gonna hit all the way down into the bottom of there, and then your cap just simply caps it up right there so that you're able to get to all of the fog juice that's in there. I'm just curious, I wanna go ahead and plug this in to see what happens. So I got it plugged in, I'm gonna hit the button right here. That lit up right there to let us know that it is on. And it's supposed to get hot, and then this thing would let us know that it is ready to be used. But since we don't have any fog juice in there, I don't think anything's going to happen right here. The one thing I'm confused about is this little guy right here, because it has lock and unlock on there. Let's see. And I don't see anything about it. They don't have any pictures in here as well, other than the front, the front cover right there. It says connect the power line, turn the switch to the on, the LED of the console will light up, press red key on line console, the machine will spray fog, that's this. Press it as long as you need it, so you hold it down if you want more fog to come out at one time. That's really cool. If you use the remote control, there are two type transmitter for operation, A, B, C, D. Type 4 keys are same function. Press any key as long as you need. The fog machine spray, release it to stop spraying. Lock, unlock type. Press lock to spray and press unlock to stop. Press lock again if you would like to spray a second time. So you just simply press these buttons right here to be able to get it to go. I don't know what they meant by the ABCD type. That was kind of interesting. I don't see any other buttons on here. All I see is this little nougat right there on the end. So, Then, of course, they give you all the little hardware right here to be able to get this little handle nice and finger tight onto there. And so you can adjust it if you want it to go up or down or anything like that. And then, of course, if you want to mount it, they also have the little rubber washers right there as well. So you can put it in between there. That way it holds nice and tight. So if y'all are looking for a fog machine, definitely go and check out this one right here. If this is something that you're looking for. Perfect for like a Halloween pumpkin type of thing. I really like that they put that on there. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know if this was helpful. And Dad out.